Hey guys, welcome back to How to DIY and Save a Dime. And my thing is crooked. Please forgive me, guys. Please forgive me. But anywho, so my dilemma is this actual. Oh, I moved my picture and now it's crooked, but it's irritating me. I'm seeing it in the camera, but I'll fix that later. Okay, so the dilemma is I love this plant stand and I thought it went really well between these two chairs, but it's not really a table. It's supposed to be, I think, like a little accent table, but it's so small at the top and I don't like it. So I wanted to do something different. So my dilemma was finding what type of medium I wanted to put on top of it. Wood, plexi, glass. There's a lot of different things you could do to create a table, but I've always seen these big pieces of pre-cut wood at Lowe's and I said, you know what, let's try it. Now I'm going to show it to you. That is it. And I called today and they had quite a bit of them, which was surprising because I went a couple times for other things and I said, well, let me just check and see if they have the pre-cut wood, and they never have the size I want. This is a 24-inch and this is called Project Panel, and it is a 24-inch piece of solid wood, which I love, and it was only $19.99, ended up being $21.73 after taxes. So I'm going to use this for my table. Now, to eliminate multiple steps of a process, I am going to probably just poly it like I did my floors. Basically, it's already raw, it's already sanded, it's already ready, I believe, so it feels really smooth. I'm going to take it out the plastic. I'm going to put it on top of this table, see if I like the size. If I like the size, kind of work with the decor, see how I like it before I make it permanent. Well, not permanent, but semi-permanent, so it can't fall or wobble on top of this actual stand. So let's get started. Now we're gonna zoom into this, and this is nice and smooth. Anything I can do, I can probably just do it right here in the living room, well, in the sitting room. I don't know what side I like better, but I guess we'll see. I think I like this side better because I like the knot. So I'm not gonna make it permanent, I'm gonna make it semi-permanent, and this is how I'm gonna do that. My trusty Velcro. Y'all know I love using this industrial Velcro. Is double-sided, so I'm going to put two pieces on top of the actual tabletop thingy and then place this on top. Put them together like this. Cut. You want to make sure these are really tightly binded together, and take the backing off. All right, I love, love, love the look. Let's get everything back on the table. Yeah, I like that much better. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And later I'm going to poly it, and probably with a waterproof stain that doesn't have a bad odor, because I'm going to do it inside the house. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up the video. Make sure, if you're new to my family, that you subscribe to the channel to join my family, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video. And if you have any questions or comments, put them in the description box below. And if that's it, guys, I will see you guys later, Gators.